Sakthi Dental Clinic, Mullukurachi. There are two types of dental scaling procedures. 1. Supragingival scaling. This type of scaling involves removing plaque and tartar from the surface of the teeth above the gum line. It is usually performed as part of a routine dental cleaning and is done using hand instruments or ultrasonic scalers. 2. Subgingival scaling. This type of scaling involves removing plaque and tartar from the surfaces of the teeth below the gum line. It is usually done in cases of moderate to severe gum disease and requires more extensive cleaning. Subgingival scaling is often done using specialized instruments called curettes, and may require local anesthesia to minimize discomfort. It may also be combined with root planing to remove bacteria from the roots of the teeth. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.